You can shrink a file to a third of its size, then get back every single byte exactly. Nothing thrown away. How? It starts with a flaw in how text is stored. Normally, every character costs the same 8 bits, so a constant E costs as much as a rare Q. The first idea, give common letters a shorter code and let the rare ones pay more. Take the word abracadabra. A appears 5 times, B and R twice, C and D just once. Huffman merges the two rarest first, then keeps pairing up the smallest until every letter hangs from one tree. The most common letter, A, ends up right beside the root, just one hop down. The rarer a letter is, the deeper it sinks, so C and D settle at the very bottom. Read a code by walking from the root to a leaf, where a left turn is a 0 and a right turn is a 1. A is one hop away, so its code is a single bit. The rarer letters live deeper, so their codes run 2, 3, even 4 bits long. The letter you use most became the cheapest of all. But if codes have different lengths, how does the decoder know where one ends? There are no commas in the bit stream. The quiet genius, because every letter sits at a leaf, no code is ever the start of another. Since A is one specific bit, nothing else may begin that way. That's the prefix free property, and it makes the bits unambiguous. Decoding becomes a walk. Each bit steers you left or right until you fall onto a leaf. Emit that letter, jump back to the root, repeat. No guessing, ever. But Huffman only sees one letter at a time. It can't tell that a whole word just repeated. So there's a second idea called LZ77. You keep a window of the recent past, and when the text ahead matches something already seen, you don't store it again. The first time a phrase appears, it costs real characters. But every later copy collapses into one tiny token, a distance back, and a length to copy. That repeated abra at the end isn't fresh letters. It's just point back and copy. Whole duplicated paragraphs shrink to a few bytes. Stack both ideas and you get DEFLATE, the engine inside zip, gzip, and PNG. Back references kill the repeats. Then Huffman gives the shortest codes to whatever common symbols are left. Spend fewer bits on the common, never say the same thing twice. That's how a file folds down, then unfolds perfectly every time.